So we got a lot of stuff today. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a little bit of a vlog and we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. I got a lot of boxes, as you guys can tell. I also went to Target yesterday and bought a bunch of stuff I truly do not need, but that's okay because honestly, it's not okay. I honestly am so confused because I swear I just opened boxes last week and somehow in just like 7 to 10 days I have more stuff with me right now. Okay, so the first package I'm opening up is from REVOLVE! I'm so excited because I literally made an order yesterday and I was not expecting this to come in already. Actually, I think it might have been 2 days ago, not yesterday. I definitely need real winter clothing for Colorado because it actually gets really cold there. If you guys have like a favorite spot or a favorite jacket that you guys purchase, please like link it down below. But the first thing I got is this black dress. It's like a little mini like scrooched black dress. I wanted to get more black dresses because I actually only have one black dress. I've been super into like silky knits. I just think it looks really expensive. I like to wear shirts like this as if it was like a cardigan. Whoa, the sleeves are a little weird, but I love to wear dress shirts like this. The next item I got a lot of black stuff, FYI. I'm definitely not a girl that liked wearing black literally last year, and all of a sudden this year I'm obsessed with it. But I found this really cute mock neck crop top. The next item I got, I think is a pink cardigan. It's like super fluffy. Oh my god, there's shoulder pads on here. Oh, so cute, and it's super warm and so soft. Oh my god, that's so cool. So this shirt comes in 2 pieces. You wear this as a top like that, and then this is a cropped top, like a cropped sweater. That is so cool. 100% will be wearing this. All right, the next one is just another cardigan. I've been wanting a better quality made cardigan, and I can also wear it open face. Maybe I should wear this the rest of this video since my other cardigan that I have from Brandy Melville is a little dirty. All right guys, the next package we're gonna open up. This one is from, it says Hourglass. I don't know why I feel like I'm getting catfished by a box. Like, is this really from Hourglass? We'll see. No, it's Kate Somerville. What the heck? I knew I was getting catfish. I freaking love when Kate Somerville sends me stuff because you guys know I freaking love my skincare stuff. This is the Liquid Exfoliate. Guys, if you guys have giant pores like I do, you guys need to exfoliate your face often. This is what it looks like. It has 10% AHAs in it. I have not tried this product before, but I've been wanting to so badly. Ooh, they gave me a bunch of reusable cotton rounds. These are in like the Exfoliate packaging, which is really cool. Okay guys, the next thing I'm gonna open up is this blue box, and it's from Redness Skincare. I've been wanting to open this because it's so bright blue. It's also a package I literally got the second I started filming this video, so I was really excited that the mailman came right on time. Oh my god, it's a reusable box. That is so cool. It says, "Hi, I'm Box, a reusable box that's good for the earth. Scan this QR code with your camera app to return me so I can keep delivering stuff for people and reducing waste." That is amazing. I got Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser, Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. That's a lot of words. They also gave me a Global Protection Day Cream, Overnight Recovery Balm, and then I have Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. I have one last package next to me, so I feel like I might as well open this guy. This guy is definitely a little heavy. I'm not entirely sure who it's from. Whoa! Oh my god. Okay, you guys know this. I've worked with Aussie in the past. I've literally used Aussie products since I was in like 4th or 5th grade. They just sent me a box of their products that they're launching. I will definitely be bringing this with me to freaking Denver because I actually do need new shampoo, and I just ran out of shampoo literally like last week. Okay, so I got the Beat the Brass purple shampoo. Even if you don't have blonde hair but you have like highlighted hair, you can still use this. I got a giant wide tooth comb. You always need that. I got their volume shampoo because they saw my hair, realized I need some volume. Oh my god, that smells beautiful. I got their volume shampoo and conditioner. I got a volume mousse. Ooh, I also got 3-Minute Miracle Waves. Oh my god, I got more. I have more Miracle Waves. Ooh, I'm very excited to try out the Miracle Volume stuff because does. Look at this, look at this. It's so flat, it's so flat. I'm like embarrassed now. All right, next one we're gonna open up is this little box, and it is from Pop Pop Pop. I got a bunch of their nail polishes. So we got 4 nail polishes in here. So this is what they look like. I got one in white, one in pink, one in hot pink, and then one in like a deep red color. Next box is, oh, it's Ritual. Oh my god. Okay, so you guys know I'm obsessed with eating my vitamins, but your girl needs to stop eating gummy vitamins. Ritual reached out to me and they wanted to send me some vitamins. So I was like, hell yeah, would love that. Have you guys ever seen such a pretty vitamin? Am I crazy? Am I the only one that's obsessed with the packaging of this brand? So I got Ritual Essentials for Women, and I should definitely take these today. Next package we have here is from Redwood Wellness. Okay, so this is the box that I got. I'm not really sure what's in here still. Oh, it's a CBD skincare collection from Happy Dance. This is so cool. Oh my god, this is a bath bomb with CBD in it. It has 60 milligrams of CBD in it. You just drop it in your bathtub. Okay, next one I got is a coconut melt. And then the next thing I got is a whipped body butter. Oh, used as a hair mask, makeup remover, hand and cuticle conditioner. Whoa, guys, that's literally just coconut oil in a jar with CBD. But that's amazing, so thank you guys so much. Oh my god, wait, this brand is from Kristen Bell. Fun fact.
Really sad fact.
Just kidding. Kristen Bell's worn my bra before. Like, I legitimately took off my bra, gave it to her, she wore it, gave it back to me. Yeah, it's like the one of the few fun facts that I have. Okay, next product I got is from Drip Creations. I've never met the owner of Drip Creations, but she's so sweet. I believe she's a she. Like, she's never introduced her name to me at all. She got big on Instagram. She hand paints shoes. They're super cute. This is what it looks like, and they have their own shoes now. It literally says Drip on it, but these are super cute. So thank you guys so much. So this next package is from The Collective. Whoa. Oh my god. What the heck? Those are some cool ass shoes. I want to try these on right now. I don't know if it'll go with my outfit, but you know what? You just gotta rock it. But I really want to try these babies on. Those are some cool heels. Oh, they're very comfortable. That is cool. Oh my god, so thank you guys so much for that. That was so sweet of you guys. Okay, last box I got, guys. I'm saving literally the best for last. I know exactly what's in here. It's my favorite snacks ever. I'm obsessed with these snacks. I love these snacks so much. Oh man, hell yeah. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys have seen me or followed me on Instagram, but I'm obsessed with these dang freaking rice crisps. They are literally so delicious, super healthy for you. They're only made with like 6 or 7 ingredients. These are amazing. My favorite is sriracha and the cheddar one. Oh, there's more flavors. I also have coconut crunch, lightly salted, aged cheddar, and then they gave me a whole fucking box of more dang chips. That's amazing. What? Is this a new flavor? I feel like I live in a grocery store now. These are different than the coconut rice crisps. They're so sweet. Well, thank you guys so much. That was amazing and so nice of you guys. That was all the packages that I got. But I did go to Target yesterday. I got parchment paper. I'm gonna bring this to Denver, which is so random, but I want to bake a lot while I'm in Denver because we're really gonna make the home that we're staying in for a month feel like home. So I'm gonna do a lot of stuff while we're there, and I just wanted to get this. We also needed it for our house as well. I got some sandwich bags, some hand soap. Then I got the Miss Myers Clean Day hand soap. This is in the scent lavender. Then I bought the cutest little lunch bag. Again, I really did not need this. Matt and I are gonna be on a road trip, so I was like, maybe I can pack us cold like waters and cold sodas so that on our 16-hour drive we don't have to stop and purchase a bunch of snacks. I don't really know what I was thinking, but it was $10 and it was super aesthetic and very cute, so I wanted to get it. And then the last few things I got from Target are home decor pieces. I got this marble freaking tray. This is a massive marble tray. Then I also got this limestone serving tray decorative bowl. This is from Studio McGee. I love watching them on Netflix. They came out out with a line at Target, and it's just like a decorative bowl. Now, that is not all I got. I have a few more home decor pieces that I want to show you guys, but I opened up the box already, but it's from Amazon. Amazon is where it's at, guys, so let me show you guys what I got. Okay, guys, I got a bunch of stuff from Amazon, as you guys can tell. I have been wanting to redecorate my bookcases. I feel like my bookcases look like it's 2017 MissTiffanyMa. The theme of my house is like white and black with like wood accents, so I want to pay an homage to that theme. These are really cool. These are geometric vases. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like that arch that's very, very popular all over TikTok and Pinterest. These are really cute, and it was like $20 for both of them. And I'll link this Amazon stuff down below because I feel like it's hard to find good pieces on Amazon, and when you find good pieces, you gotta fucking share it. So we're gonna share it. I also got these vases from Amazon as well. And then I got this cute little face mug. It's not a mug, I think it's a planter, but like it has little faces in it, and this was $20. All right, so that is everything I got in this video that I wanted to share with you guys. There is definitely a mess now. Let me just show you guys this mess that we have. So I have a bunch of stuff now. We're gonna clean up this mess. Guys, I've just finished cleaning up this little area of my room. Callie's actually here, so we're gonna just do some work on our laptops and stuff. I think she's editing right now, and I have some photos I want to edit. I also have to pack some orders as well. Today is just like a very proactive. Today's a very, what? I can't talk. Today's a day. Hey guys, I'm getting ready to order myself boba because nobody else wants it with me. So I guess I'm ordering boba by myself. I have like this little box right here, and I put all like my order stuff in there. So I have my tissue paper, poly mailers, and then of course I have my Dymo label maker. Yes, I got boba. I also got 2 more packages. Oh no, we got exactly what I wanted. That is so good. Okay, so I just finished packing my orders. I just need to print out the labels. Yes, I still have my Christmas tree up. Please let me know when you guys take yours down. I have been asking Matt that we should take it down, but both of us have honestly been kind of lazy to take it down. And now we're just like, oh, the Christmas tree is such a vibe that we don't want to take it down, but we're gonna take it down. Hey guys, so a little update here. It's like 7:30 p.m. Callie left around 6:30. I took a nice little nap. Now it's time for dinner. Matt and I switch off days on who gets to cook for the other person. So today's my night, and I'm gonna make pasta with sweet potato and onions. Today's been like a super productive day for me. I opened all my boxes, packaged all my orders. Callie and I organized the freaking office. We had a super productive work day today, and we got a lot of shit done. Alright guys, dinner is served. We got some Casio e pepe with beef ragu. We ran out of sauce, so it's not very saucy, but I prefer it not super saucy. Matt might not love it, but he'll love it at the same time. Alright, we're gonna eat now. First bite.
This is like really hitting the spot right now.
Little update here. I hate that I say that word. I hate that I say that. I hate that I say it. Matt and I just finished our food. We like hung out in his like office and just like listened to some music. But I wanted to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below if you guys made it to the end of the video by commenting if you guys think I should daily vlog, or if you guys don't want me to daily vlog. I think I might possibly start daily vlogging a few days before I move to Colorado so that I can just like document my entire trip. Let me know down below if you guys are down for that. Let me know if you guys are not down for that. And yeah, that's it with today's video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.